Italy didn't just build fast cars, it defined what a supercar is. In the 1960s, Italian engineers and designers broke every rule, combining race-bred engines, radical styling, and raw emotion into machines the world had never seen before. This was the moment when the supercar was born, and Italy led the revolution. Let's begin with the foundation era, 1960 to 1969. Lamborghini Miura. The Lamborghini Miura is widely regarded as the world's first true supercar. Introduced in 1966, it shocked the automotive world with a mid-mounted V12 engine. Its revolutionary layout, exotic styling, and extreme performance redefined what a road car could be and set the blueprint for all future supercars. Ferrari 250 GTO. The Ferrari 250 GTO was built with one purpose: to dominate racing. Developed in the early 1960s, it combined a lightweight chassis with a powerful V12 engine. Its success on track and rarity made it not only a motorsport legend, but also the most valuable collector car in history. Ferrari 365 GTB/4 Daytona. The Ferrari Daytona represented Ferrari's response to changing performance expectations. Launched in 1968, it featured a front-mounted V12 capable of reaching speeds over 170 miles per hour. Blending luxury with brute force, it proved that traditional layouts could still compete in the emerging supercar era. De Tomaso Mangusta. The De Tomaso Mangusta brought American power into Italian design. Introduced in 1967, it paired a Ford V8 engine with dramatic wedge styling. While challenging to drive, its aggressive looks and mid-engine layout made it a bold statement in Italy's early supercar experimentation. Moving on to the classic supercar 1970 to 1979. Lamborghini Countach LP400. The Lamborghini Countach LP400 completely redefined supercar design. Introduced in the mid-1970s, its sharp wedge shape, scissor doors, and mid-mounted V12 engine looked like nothing else on the road. It prioritized drama and speed over comfort, becoming the visual symbol of the supercar dream for an entire generation. Ferrari Berlin Etta Boxer. The Ferrari Berlin Etta Boxer marked Ferrari's move to a mid-engine flat 12 layout for road cars. Developed during the 1970s, it delivered exceptional balance, high-speed stability, and race-inspired engineering. This model represented Ferrari's technical answer to Lamborghini's growing dominance. Maserati Bora. The Maserati Bora blended luxury with serious performance. Introduced in 1971, it featured a mid-mounted V8 engine and a more refined interior than most rivals. The Bora showed that a supercar could deliver speed while maintaining comfort and elegance. De Tomaso Pantera. The De Tomaso Pantera combined Italian styling with American V8 power. Launched in the early 1970s, it was fast, aggressive, and comparatively affordable. Its wide distribution, especially in the United States, helped bring supercar performance to a broader audience. Lamborghini Arauco. The Lamborghini Arauco represented an experimental direction for Lamborghini. Introduced as a smaller, more accessible mid-engine V8 car, it sat on the edge of supercar classification. Despite being considered borderline, it played an important role in expanding Lamborghini's lineup during the decade. Ferrari 512BB. The Ferrari 512BB refined the Berlin Etta Boxer concept. Introduced later in the decade, it increased displacement and improved drivability while maintaining Ferrari's flat 12 layout. It symbolized Ferrari's maturation of the mid-engine supercar formula during the 1970s. Continuing with the turbo and evolution era, 1980 to 1989. Ferrari 288 GTO. The Ferrari 288 GTO marked Ferrari's return to extreme performance. Developed in the mid-1980s, it used twin turbochargers on a V8 engine to deliver race-level power for the road. Built for homologation, it reintroduced Ferrari to the world of limited, ultra-focused supercars. Ferrari F40. The Ferrari F40 became an icon of raw, uncompromising performance. Launched in 1987, it featured a twin-turbo V8 lightweight construction, and minimal luxury. Designed to celebrate Ferrari's 40th anniversary, it embodied pure speed and mechanical honesty, earning legendary status instantly. Lamborghini Countach 5000 QV. The Countach 5000 QV represented the ultimate evolution of the Countach lineage. Introduced in the 1980s, its larger V12 engine delivered increased power and aggression. With massive rear tires and dramatic styling, it pushed the Countach concept to its absolute limits. Lamborghini Jalpa. The Lamborghini Jalpa offered a more approachable supercar experience. Powered by a V8 and positioned below the Countach, it balanced performance with usability, though often overlooked. It played a key role in keeping Lamborghini competitive during a difficult financial era. Maserati Chamel. The Maserati Chamel introduced turbocharged performance to Maserati's road cars. Released late in the decade, it combined a twin-turbo V8 with bold wedge styling. The Chamel showcased Maserati's attempt to blend luxury, aggression, and modern forced induction technology. Ferrari Testarossa. The Ferrari Testarossa defined 1980s supercar culture. Introduced in 1984, its wide stance, side strakes, and flat 12 engine made it instantly recognizable. Offering high top speed and visual drama, it became a global symbol of wealth, performance, and excess. Progressing to the hypercar transition era, 1990 to 1999. Ferrari F50. The Ferrari F50 brought Formula One technology directly to the road. Introduced in the mid-1990s, it used a naturally aspirated V12 derived from Ferrari's F1 program as a stressed member of the chassis. With a focus on driver connection rather than electronics, it represented the peak of analog Ferrari engineering. Lamborghini Diablo. The Lamborghini Diablo replaced the Countach and redefined 1990s supercar XS. Launched in 1990, it delivered extreme speed, dramatic styling, and a powerful V12 capable of pushing beyond 200 miles per hour. It became a global icon of raw performance and visual dominance. Bugatti EB110, Italian-built. The Bugatti EB110 marked the rebirth of the Bugatti name in Italy. Developed in the early 1990s, it featured a quad-turbocharged V12, all-wheel drive, and carbon fiber construction. Technologically ahead of its time, it bridged traditional supercars and the modern hypercar era. Ferrari 550 Maranello. The Ferrari 550 Maranello signaled a return to front-engine V12 tradition. Introduced later in the decade, it combined long-distance comfort with serious performance. This model proved that extreme speed and classic Grand Touring balance could coexist in a modern Ferrari. Lamborghini Diablo GT. The Diablo GT represented Lamborghini's most hardcore road legal. Diablo. Built in limited numbers, it featured reduced weight, increased power, and track-focused engineering. It stood as Lamborghini's final statement before the brand fully entered the next generation of extreme performance. We move forward to the modern supercar era, 2000 to 2009. Ferrari Enzo. The Ferrari Enzo represented Ferrari's most advanced road car of its time. Introduced in the early 2000s, it used carbon fiber construction, active aerodynamics, and a Formula One-inspired V12. Designed as a technological showcase, it bridged Ferrari's racing expertise with modern road-going performance. Lamborghini Murcielago. The Lamborghini Murcielago marked a new chapter under modern ownership. Launched in 2001, it retained a naturally aspirated V12 while introducing improved aerodynamics, all-wheel drive, and electronic systems. It preserved Lamborghini's dramatic character while moving firmly into the 21st century. Maserati MC12. The Maserati MC12 was built with racing dominance in mind. Based on Ferrari engineering, it featured extensive carbon fiber, extreme aerodynamics, and a limited production run. Designed to homologate Maserati's return to international GT racing, it became one of the most exclusive supercars of the era. Ferrari F430. The Ferrari F430 refined everyday supercar usability. Introduced mid-decade, it featured electronic differential systems, advanced traction control, and a high-revving V8. Combining track capability with road comfort, it defined Ferrari's modern V8 supercar philosophy. Lamborghini Gallardo. The Lamborghini Gallardo transformed Lamborghini's business and image. Smaller, more approachable, and easier to drive, it introduced a V10 platform that combined performance with reliability. Its success made it one of the best-selling supercars of all time. Pagani Zonda C12. The Pagani Zonda C12 introduced a new ultra-exotic brand to the world. Hand-built with carbon fiber and powered by a Mercedes-AMG V12, it emphasized craftsmanship, lightweight design, and emotional engineering. The Zonda redefined what a boutique supercar manufacturer could achieve. Transitioning to the hypercar domination era, 2010 to 2019. Ferrari LaFerrari. The Ferrari LaFerrari marked Ferrari's entry into the hybrid hypercar age. Introduced in the early 2010s, it combined a naturally aspirated V12 with electric assistance to deliver unprecedented performance. With advanced aerodynamics and Formula One-derived hybrid technology, it represented Ferrari's vision of the ultimate modern hypercar. Lamborghini Aventador. The Lamborghini Aventador redefined Lamborghini's flagship identity. Launched in 2011, it featured a new carbon fiber monocoque and a high-revving V12 engine. Aggressive design, extreme speed, and raw character made it the defining Lamborghini of the decade. Pagani Huayra. The Pagani Huayra elevated craftsmanship and technology to new heights. Introduced in 2012, it combined active aerodynamics, lightweight materials, and a twin-turbo V12. Every detail focused on precision, making it one of the most technically advanced hypercars of its time. Ferrari 458 Speciale. The Ferrari 458 Speciale represented the ultimate evolution of Ferrari's naturally aspirated V8 era. Designed for driving purity, it featured reduced weight, enhanced aerodynamics, and razor-sharp handling. It became a benchmark for driver-focused modern supercars. Lamborghini Huracan Performante. The Lamborghini Huracan Performante pushed the limits of aerodynamic innovation. Introduced mid-decade, it used active aerodynamic systems to achieve record-breaking lap times. This model proved that technology and raw performance could coexist in a road-legal Lamborghini. Pagani Zonda R. The Pagani Zonda R was a track-only masterpiece. Built without road regulations in mind, it focused entirely on speed, downforce, and driver engagement. Limited production and extreme performance made it one of the most sought-after track hypercars ever created. Ferrari F12 TDF. The Ferrari F12 TDF celebrated Ferrari's racing heritage, featuring a powerful front-mounted V12, extensive weight reduction, and aggressive aerodynamics. It transformed the Grand Touring concept into a high-performance driver's machine. We arrive at the ultra-exotic and future era, 2020-present. Ferrari SF90 Stradale. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale redefined Ferrari's performance philosophy. Introduced at the start of the 2020s, it paired a twin-turbo V8 with 3 electric motors to deliver unprecedented power. Combining hybrid technology with everyday usability, it marked Ferrari's first true plug-in supercar. Lamborghini Revuelto. The Lamborghini Revuelto ushered Lamborghini into a new era. Replacing the Aventador, it introduced a hybrid V12 powertrain while retaining Lamborghini's dramatic character. Advanced aerodynamics, carbon construction, and electrification signaled the brand's future without abandoning its soul. Pagani Utopia. The Pagani Utopia represented a bold return to purity, designed with a focus on driver engagement rather than screens and software. It featured lightweight construction and a twin-turbo V12. Limited production and handcrafted detail made it a modern tribute to classic supercar values. Ferrari Daytona SP3. The Ferrari Daytona SP3 celebrated Ferrari's racing heritage. Inspired by 1960s endurance racers, it used a naturally aspirated V12 paired with cutting-edge aerodynamics. As part of Ferrari's Icona series, It blended nostalgia with modern performance engineering. Lamborghini Sián. The Lamborghini Sián introduced electrification in a uniquely Lamborghini way, using a supercapacitor system instead of traditional batteries. It enhanced a V12 engine without compromising weight or responsiveness. Its radical design and limited production cemented its ultra-exotic status. Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta. The Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta became one of the most exclusive hypercars ever built, created as a farewell to the Zonda lineage. It combined an open-top design with extreme craftsmanship. With only a handful produced, it achieved legendary collector status instantly. Ferrari 812 Competizione. The Ferrari 812 Competizione represented the ultimate evolution of Ferrari's front-engine V12 tradition, featuring extensive weight reduction, aggressive aerodynamics, and a high-revving, naturally aspirated engine. It stood as one of the last pure V12 Ferraris of its kind.